session, we're going to do like a little bit of psychoeducation, right? So it basically all psychoeducation means is it's just a way for you to understand maybe how your thoughts work or how your brain works in certain capacities, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, the lesson that we kind of want to learn today is how your thoughts and your feelings are not a result of the things that you don't like, right? So for instance, your thoughts and feelings of anxiety and nervousness and frustration around school isn't because of school, right?
What?
Bear with me. It's because of how you feel about school. And I want to do a little bit of drawing with you.
Okay.
So that you can understand that.
Yeah, that makes sense. I guess.
Yeah, and it might not, and that's okay. And honestly, if it doesn't make sense, we'll talk about it more. But I want to find something that makes sense to you. So we're going to do something with a little bit of expression here. I have a bunch of Sharpies, so make sure you don't get it on the table.
Okay. I'll try not to.
I have a clipboard. Wait, let me get one piece of paper so the other pieces of paper don't get messed up. Oops.
Sounds good.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Absolutely. There you are. And all of your colors here.
So many.
So many colors.
Happy.
Yeah, there it is. I had to put that one in there when I brought these here today. I was like, it cannot have yellow.
Right?
Even though most people don't like it, but it's a good thing I packed it today because you like yellow, right? And we have all these yellow things. So in order to illustrate this concept, I want you to draw you, first of all. Draw a representation of yourself on the paper in any place, on the bottom half. Yeah, so anywhere below here. Just in whatever corner you want, doesn't really matter where, but just draw you. Then we'll see where we go from there. All right, very cool. And now I want you to go through each of these items, right? So we're gonna start from your right, we're gonna travel across here. And I want you to think about where they make you feel. So when you hear the name oregano, how does that make you feel? Where is it on your body? And I want you to draw a little dot on your person. Cool. Now I want you to take that marker and draw a line from oregano to your thought bubble and then to the spot that you drew on your person. Great. All right. Now I assume this math problem stands for math, right?
Yeah.
So with that math problem, I want you to think about where that makes you feel. Cool. And now I want you to draw a line from that same thing, math problem, to where it makes you feel. Great. And we're going to do the same thing for the remaining 3 items. So whistle. And then one more. Great. So what can you tell me about these lines?
That even the good stuff and the good stuff and the bad stuff, I feel primarily here up.
So a lot of sensations like in that,
in my chest and in my throat.
regardless of whether it's good or bad, right?
Yeah.
What about these? Where do these dots have to go before they get to your body?
My mind.
Yeah, they go to your brain first, right? So in order for them to travel to the places that you feel them, they have to go through your mind.
I have to think them.
And then that's where your mind relates that to all these different parts of your body, right? So those feelings of love you feel when you think of oregano, you think of that first and then you feel the feeling.